What's up guys, it's Shavain, and in this video I will tell you guys how you can fix the problem of error address unreachable on Google Chrome. So if you're facing this error, then this video will help you guys to solve this. But before I begin with the video, I would just like to tell you guys that if you guys encounter any software related problems, then you can just comment down below on this video or go to our website and submit your problem there, and we'll make a solution video or blog post for you guys. Now let's begin with the video. The first thing that you have to do is restart your Google Chrome and check whether that fixes your problem, because sometimes it does. The other thing you can do is restart your router, because this issue might pop up if the router has an error state. To do this, just turn off your router's power supply and leave it off for around 5 minutes. After that, you can just turn on the power supply and connect your computer to your router and check if the problem disappears. But every router is different, so there might be other ways to restart your router. Just check your router manufacturer's website for that information. Now, let's begin with the actual software solutions for this problem. So the first way is to update Google Chrome. For that, just launch Google Chrome and then click on the 3 dots on the top right hand corner. And from there, just hover over to the help section. And in the help, go to about Google Chrome. And once you're there, you'll see if there are any updates available for Google Chrome. If there are, just install them and check whether that fixes the problem. The next way is to clear down the Google Chrome cache data. So for that, just open your Google Chrome and then again go to the 3 dots, and there just click on settings, then choose privacy and security, and then click on clear browsing data option. Then from the drop down option next to time range, just select all time and check mark cached images and files and cookies and other site data options. After that, just clear data and restart your browser and check whether that fixes the problem. The next way is to disable any unnecessary Chrome extensions. So again, go to the 3 dots and this time choose more tools and then go to extensions. In extensions, just disable all the unnecessary third-party extensions that might have caused this issue and check whether that fixes the problem. If it does, you can start re-enabling the extensions and see which one was making the issue, and you can just click on remove to remove it. Now, the next solution is to turn off the proxy server. So for that, just go to your Windows settings. To do that, you can just go to Windows search and then search for settings. Then choose network and internet and then go to proxy. In proxy, click on setup next to the use a proxy server option, and then under use a proxy server, just disable it. After that, just click on save and restart your computer and check whether that fixes the problem. Now, the next option is to flush the DNS cache. So for doing that, what we can do is go to Windows search and then search for command prompt. Then right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, I'll mention these commands down in the description below for you to check out. Just copy and paste these commands in the command prompt. After that, just launch the Google Chrome and check whether that fixes the problem. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video and this video helped you. If it did, then just consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not and you're still having any problems, you can just comment down below or go to our website and submit your problem there, explaining it clearly, and we'll make a solution video specifically for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.